Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. My name is Nirine and today I will share with you a case study about Binance. I will present how Binance used artificial intelligence to transform and disrupt the global financial sector. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through 7 key sections. First, I will provide a brief introduction to Binance and the crypto industry. Then, I will explain the main business challenges Binance faced as it grew rapidly in a high-risk decentralized environment. Next, we'll evaluate Binance's position on the Big Data Maturity Index, showing how deeply data is embedded in their operations. From there, I dive you into the core of this case study, how AI-powered technologies are transforming Binance's business model. I will also explore the business impact across operations, compliance, and customer experience. Then I will discuss some of the strategic risks that come with using AI without a strong data strategy. And finally, I will end with a reflection on how this technology is not just changing Binance, but also challenging traditional finance on a global scale. Let's begin. So let's start with the introduction. Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. Binance has rapidly become a dominant player in the financial technology or fintech space. What sets Binance apart is its ability to scale globally using cutting-edge technology, especially artificial intelligence, to manage risk, personalize user experience, and ensure regulatory compliance. In this presentation, we'll explore how Binance used AI to transform its business model, what challenges it faced, and how this innovation is disrupting the broader financial industry. Binance, after launching in 2017, experienced explosive global growth, but this success came with serious challenges. First, the company had to support millions of users trading crypto around the clock, across time zones, in multiple languages. Traditional systems couldn't keep up with this demand. Second, security risks and fraud surged, from hacking attempts to illegal transactions. Binance needed a robust way to monitor and react in real time. Third, regulators from different countries began imposing strict compliance expectations. Binance has to adopt Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering procedure quickly, or risk getting banned. Lastly, manually scaling staff to handle such complexity wasn't feasible. Binance needed to find a data-driven, AI-powered way to manage operations and protect its platform at scale. When we look at the Big Data Maturity Index, which measures how well an organization uses data, Binance clearly operates at the most advanced level, data-driven. This means Binance doesn't just collect or analyze data, it uses real-time data flows to actively automate decision-making across the business. For example, customer behavior, trading activity, blockchain transaction, and support interaction are all tracked and analyzed live. Binance AI system constantly learn from this data to improve fraud detection, regulatory compliance, and user security. Importantly, Binance integrates data from both on-chain, blockchain activity, and traditional off-chain system, giving it a complex real-time view of user and platform behavior. This level of data maturity gives Binance a competitive edge by enabling faster, smarter, and more secure operations on a global scale. At the core of Binance transformation is its use of artificial intelligence. Let's start with fraud detection. Binance processes millions of transactions daily. AI models are trained to detect suspicious activity in real time, like abnormal trading volumes or wash trading patterns. This significantly reduces fraud and market manipulation. Next, AI plays a critical role in compliance, especially for KYC and AML. New users upload their identity documents and AI systems validate these using facial recognition and OCR, making onboarding fast, secure, and scalable. Binance also uses AI-powered chatbots that support users in multiple languages. These bots resolve most queries instantly and operate 24/7, lowering the burden of human agents. And for traders, AI is used to provide real-time insights, trend analysis, and even personalized alerts, helping users make smarter decisions and manage risk more effectively. Additionally, under data-driven governance, AI models monitor blockchain governance behavior from voting patterns to token usage and detect anomalies within decentralized communities. The integration of artificial intelligence has significantly transformed multiple areas of Binance business. Let's begin with operations. Binance uses AI to automate repetitive and high-risk tasks such as fraud detection, identity verification, and real-time transaction monitoring. This reduces manual workload, minimizes human errors, and enables the company to scale efficiently as user numbers grow. In terms of compliance, AI-powered systems help Binance meet global regulatory requirements by automatically flagging suspicious activities and enforcing Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering (the AML) policies. These models adapt quickly to changing rules in different regions, which is critical in the ever-evolving world of crypto regulation. For customer experience, AI chatbots and intelligent support tools allow Binance to offer real-time service across time zones. Users can get help instantly without waiting for a human agent. This boosts satisfaction and retention, especially in a fast-moving market where delays can cost users money. Binance has also improved its internal decision-making through data-driven insights. AI helps the company analyze product usage, market trends, and behavioral data to improve feature design, platform performance, and overall user engagement. Finally, AI enhances security by detecting fraud attempts, bot activity, and unauthorized access before they impact users, protecting both the platform's integrity and user trust. In short, AI isn't just a backend upgrade for Binance, it's a strategic enabler that touches every major function of the business, from frontline support to regulatory compliance and global operations. Although Binance is a leader in leveraging artificial intelligence for operational and security excellence, the strategic risks of implementing AI without a clear data governance strategy are very real and increasingly pressing. One major concern is the overfitting of AI models. In simple terms, this happens when an AI system becomes too narrowly trained on past behavior and starts flagging any deviation. For example, if a long-time user suddenly withdraws funds in a different currency or from a new device, the AI might interpret this as a fraud attempt and freeze the account. This creates friction, disrupts trust, and can lead to loss of high-value users. Second, there are serious privacy issues, particularly related to KYC data and biometric verification. Binance collects facial scans, identity documents, all of which are sensitive and regulated. If this data is mishandled, stored insecurely, or leaked, the consequences could include fines, lawsuits, and reputational harm. Another key risk is regulatory misalignment. If an AI system makes an automated decision like blocking a transaction or rejecting a user, it can be hard to explain exactly how or why it did this. This lack of transparency can frustrate users and regulators alike. Binance has already faced regulatory scrutiny in multiple countries, and AI-driven decisions without auditability only add fuel to that fire. Finally, there is the issue of scalability versus control. As Binance grows and automates more processes with AI, there is a risk that its system evolve faster than human managers can keep up. If AI begins adapting to new patterns without sufficient human oversight or ethical constraints, it could create unpredictable behaviors, especially in a decentralized high volume environment like crypto. These risks highlight the need for clear data policies, a human-in-the-loop system, and transparent model governance. Without them, even the most advanced AI can become a liability rather than an advantage. To wrap up, let's reflect on the broader implication of Binance's approach to artificial intelligence. AI has enabled Binance to operate at a scale and speed that traditional financial institutions can't match. It can process millions of transactions a second, verify users in minutes, and detect threats in real time, all across a decentralized global network. What's even more important is that Binance has set a new benchmark in how compliance, fraud detection, and customer experience can be automated through intelligent systems as more fintech and even legacy banks look to scale digitally. AI-powered infrastructure may become the industry standard, not just an innovation. However, this transformation also reveals a serious gap, the lack of global regulation and ethical governance. Around AI in finance, Binance's example makes it clear that data-driven innovation moves faster than legislation, and this can lead to conflict unless governance catch up. Finally, what we see in Binance today is a glimpse into the future of finance, borderless, automated, and personalized. AI is no longer just an optimization tool. It's a foundational technology that's redefining the relationship between people, money, and machine. Thank you for your attention.